Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to build AI apps with Google AI Studio in 2026. First, open your web browser and go to eStudio, Google.com ***. Sign in with your Google account, and you'll be taken to the Google AI Studio dashboard. To begin, click ***new prompt** or create a new project. Choose a Gemini model that best matches your application's needs. Different models are optimized for tasks like text generation, coding, reasoning, or multimodal inputs. Now design the prompt that will power your AI app. For example, if you're building a chatbot, write clear instructions explaining how the AI should respond to users. If you're creating a writing assistant, describe the writing style, tone, and output format you want. Test your prompt by entering sample questions or requests. Review the AI's responses and improve your prompt until you consistently get accurate and helpful results. Prompt testing is one of the most important steps in building a reliable AI application. Once you're satisfied, open the *get code ** or API ** option in Google AI Studio. Select your preferred programming language, such as Python, JavaScript, or another supported language. Google AI Studio will automatically generate sample code that connects your application to the Gemini API. Copy the generated code into your project, add your API key where required, and run your application. Your app can now send prompts to the Gemini model and receive AI-generated responses in real time. Continue testing your application with different user inputs, improve your prompts, and update your app as needed. You can also add features like conversation history, file uploads, or image input if they're supported by the model you're using. And that's it. You've learned the basic process of building AI apps with Google AI Studio. With practice, you can create chatbots, writing assistants, coding tools, customer support apps, and many other AI-powered projects. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Google AI Studio guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.